Here I have OnePlus 8T, and today I'm going to show you how to record the screen, how to record your screen on this device. So for this operation you just have to go to the upper bar here, and here you have this button, screen record. Just tap on it and this recorder controller will appear. You can move it around your screen, as you can see. And to start the recorder, you just have to tap once on this red button. There is also some settings of this recording feature. You can change video resolution, bitrate, number of frames, audio source, video orientation, and other options. Let's try record something. Let's record our screen, maybe some settings. And by tapping here, you can pause your recording and then start recording again by tapping on the red button. And by tapping on this square, you can stop recording. You can find your recording in gallery, the videos, in the screen recorder collection here. And from here you can edit, share, or delete it. Here is our recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.